fourth analytic tradecraft standard, called Analysis of Alternatives, requires analysts to present different scenarios and products. Analysis of alternatives means that in addition to providing an assessment, analysts should inform customers about alternative hypotheses. These alternatives will give customers a broader understanding of the issues and reduces the possibility of an unexpected outcome. The requirement for analysts is to present at least one insightful alternative to the main authoritative assessment. Along with this alternative, analysts need to explain the reasoning and evidence behind this alternative assessment and to clarify why we think that alternative is unlikely. Why is analysis of alternatives so important to include? If you don't really think this alternative will happen, there are a few reasons. By presenting at least one alternative hypothesis, analysts can refine and revise their authoritative assessments, identify and overcome biases and assumptions, and communicate any uncertainty about their product. Assessing alternatives is an effective way to help reduce surprise to help customers plan for a range of contingencies. You should think about analysis of alternatives as an essential element of the analytic process. This means first generating distinct hypotheses and then evaluating their likelihood to identify a main assessment and any appropriate alternatives. If possible, working with other analysts to compare one another's hypotheses can generate additional alternatives. When writing your analysis of alternatives, there are a few different ways to include them in your product. You can include the alternatives in a tone box, directly within the text, or as a standalone but related product. In this example, the analysts included a separate paragraph within the product. The main thing is to clearly identify your alternatives within the product so it is easy for your customer to distinguish it from the authoritative position.